In today's computing space, knowledge of networks is essential. The Mile 2 Certified Network Principles course is the final step in the foundational course lineup. The knowledge gained in the first 4 courses, Security Awareness 1 and 2, Certified Hardware Technician, and Certified Operating Systems Technician, come together to support the concepts and skills taught in this course for installing, maintaining, and troubleshooting today's networks. Mile 2 has you covered with knowledge of physical components like stacks, switches, and routers, plus everything you need to know about cloud architectures, virtual networks, and virtualization. You will be taught how to plan, organize, build, and secure a network, whether it's a couple of computers or dozens connected to a physical server supported by cloud-based technologies. Show the world that you are ready to tackle IT with the CNP course and certification from Mile 2 Cybersecurity Certifications.